after checking that I didn't have an issue with the spark plugs, I ended up going back at this thing, and it is blowing out air and gas through here. And after talking to some people, I found out that it might be the reed valves. So we're gonna check that. We're gonna check that today. Let's see what's up with that. So also side note, I initially had this problem when I was just driving, and then all of a sudden it just bogged down and died on me. So I've been dealing with this issue for like 2 months already, or a month. I just been like trying it whenever I got a chance, like trying to solve the issue. And we got another chance, so I'm gonna see what it is now. Hoping it is this. Do the hose, gasket. Alright, so this works. There's a bit of color. That is it. Yo, so how did I not look in here before? Bro. Let me zoom in. Yo! So I have the perfect tool for that. Alright, so you see it? It's right there. Alright. So we got this thing. Hopefully I can get it out without pushing it in there. Bro. Huh?